Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, so let's take a look again at the euro currency action. So we see that market now stands in the retracement that we have discussed previously and put the foundation in our analysis in a weekly thread that this bounce could happen in fact. As the target of this potential retracement we have marked this level, so you can see this is the thread resistance, major resistance of this thrust, that's 129.50, and what's also significant that slightly higher stands the weekly pivot resistance one, this area. And what's more important, that here is also the 50% resistance of this thrust. So euro currency very often shows particularly the 50% retracements. Well, although on the daily time frame it looks like the retracement is finished and now market is starting to move down, but on the intraday charts there are some moments that points on that in fact some continuation is still possible here. And I'm not sure that market will start move right down from this level. Although overall price action also looks logical, since you can see this level also coincides with this low natural support resistance, broken support, again. Now it's again will be a resistance. Well, that's why in such circumstances, in such an environment, I often recommend to apply the scale in trading when you open position gradually, depending on how far market will move. So if market will start move here, you probably already will have some small position, and that will allow you to possess yourself with the longer term to the downside. So for instance, market hits first level, add some, open some small position, if market will have proceeded higher to our major resistance level that we have specified around 129.75, somewhere in this area. Add major part of your position here, because it's very difficult to catch the right moment precisely when a market will turn to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame, we see in fact the same pattern that we have previously discussed, this bullish wedge that has been broken to the upside, trend holds bullish here. So market has exceeded and reached the minor target right here above this high, but this thrusting candle to the upside, how market moves above the weekly pivot point, makes me think that market really could continue move right to the 50% resistance. On the hourly time frame, it looks like the reverse head and shoulders pattern that we have discussed previously. So that's the neckline, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, that's a bit smaller, breakout, retesting. Now market shows some small continuation. So in fact, I think that this could be some kind of this ABCD pattern to the upside that has target right at the 3-8 resistance on the daily time frame. So 129.48 is the agreement. That will be also the significant resistance. So maybe market will stop somewhere here a bit earlier than the weekly pivot resistance one stands. That's why in fact our major area to watch for is 129.50, 129.75, the same area that we have discussed yesterday. That is also, as you can see, the ultimate target of this butterfly. It's 127 extension right here, and this red line is the weekly pivot resistance one. So speaking about the development of this ABCD, you see that it's rather harmonic. This fast move to the upside right to the 618 extension of this ABCD pattern makes me think that probably this thrusting move has significant impulse to continue move to the 100% extension. Currently I do not see any reversal pattern, so here a bit earlier within the today trading session, or maybe in the beginning of the tomorrow trading session, we should search for reversal patterns in this area. Maybe this will be some reversal butterfly that will have some target, that will have some target in this area or something, because now we are gradually approaching to the level that we have marked as the major level where market should turn to the downside, since we have the significant bearish context on the weekly time frame. That's in fact this action is just a minor bounce from the neckline on the weekly time frame on the head and shoulders pattern, and this bounce should not be very significant. Market could retest some previous levels, some resistance, but it should not continue move to the upside too far. Well, That's why this level is very significant. Besides, we know that when the market shows the retracement within the bear trend, usually weekly pivot resistance 1 holds this retracement. If market moves above this, then it becomes the early sign that is not quite the retracement. This could be either reversal or some more extended bounce to the upside that will, we could say that's not some normal development of the trend, if you could call it. Well, that's why there are two major tasks for us for today and early tomorrow trading session. First of all, wait for this level and wait and look how market will behave around it. Second, pay attention and watch for potential reversal patterns right in this area a bit later in today's trading session in the beginning of the tomorrow. That's in fact all that we could do now, because entering long currently, while it's still possible, if you mark these fib levels from this development, probably could find some possibility for a long entry in some support area with this target. But from the daily perspective, it's a bit later to enter long here. That's those of you who trade on daily time frame now probably should just wait when the market will hit this area and watch for sell signals in this area. The failure development, when we could say that market probably will not proceed to this area, if it will move again below the weekly pivot point and below the neckline. If this will happen and market will not hit this area, that will be the early sign that probably market will continue to move lower, because that will be not quite normal development with the head and shoulders pattern. If market will return right back below the neckline, that will be, and below the weekly pivot point, that will be the sign that market has failed to continue move higher and probably will continue move lower. So that's two major could say points to watch for. That's the invalidation point for upward action. Market will break this to the downside. Well, that's the area to watch for the short entry. If you have entered long with our head and shoulders pattern, then it's your area to watch for a profit taking scenario around 129.50, 129.75.